Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic new VPN called Bubble Cloud VPN. With its unique server locations and super easy one-click connection, it makes browsing the internet both fast and secure. Let's dive in and see how to download and use it. Step 1. Get the app. Head over to the Play Store on your device. Search for Bubble Cloud VPN in the search bar. Tap on the app icon and click the download button. Step 2. Install and open. It'll only take a few moments for the download to finish. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the app. Step 3. Choose your location. You'll land on the home screen, where you'll see a menu with different server locations. Feel free to explore and choose the server that best suits your browsing needs. Step 4. Connect with one click. Once you've selected a server, it's time to connect. Simply tap the Connect button. It's that easy. You'll be connected in seconds. Now you're browsing securely with Bubble Cloud VPN. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more helpful content. Stay safe and happy browsing.